The LG V30. Is it really a vlogging camera that I can use on our next big holiday? Big announcement, by the way. We're going on Ovation of the Seas March 13 to New Zealand. And I want to use this as our primary camera. Am I mad? Or should I be using this thing? We'll see. So for those who do not know, what is vlogging? Vlogging is basically diarising what you did with your day. You can have a story, you can have no story. Probably the best known vlogger would be Casey Neistat. So if you want to go check out his work, look up there. So when I vlog, I'm looking for a camera that's actually capable of handling extreme light changes. So from bright to dark, backwards and forwards. I don't want to touch any of the controls. I want the camera to do everything it can, because I'm not actually looking at the screen at the moment. I'm using the back rear-facing camera. Oh yeah, and for those who might know, I actually went there when I was a kid. Hey Caitlin,
What?
did you know that I went to high school here when I was a kid?
No.
Yeah, and I did ballet here.
If you would do ballet, you would be a girl.
No, I'm not a girl. What are we going to do today, Amy?
I'm gonna say bobo la.
I don't know what she just said, something about Bobo La. You're 4 years old and you're very cute. Mwah.
But I wasn't grown up in my.
Amy's meeting a friend, she's super anxious.
But I wasn't grown up in my. But I wasn't grown up in my.
Mama, get what in there? Just to trick us. It's like a magic mirror.
I reckon this video's gonna get demonetized for nudity. You guys sit on the floor or where you want to stick it? You happy with that? When we came in, I was asked to check the Manfrotto mini tripod, so I really right now want it because I'd love to do a time lapse of this space. Amy, what are you drawing?
A rainbow, like a colorful house.
Oh.
A picture.
Picture? And what's on your picture?
Rain, clouds, a sun, rainbow, a treasure chest with money in it, and flowers and some grass.
Okay, here's a bit of a test for the LG. We're going from inside to outside, so dark to light. This is always challenging for any camera to adjust its dynamic range, ISO, shutter speed, you name it. Alrighty, how we do? Can you still see me, or is it just completely blown out? I would have no idea. We're enjoying this. It's free, and I think it's on for 4 months in total. these strings doing my head in. It's like giving me a headache. Don't touch, Amy. Don't touch. Hold my hand, please. Oh God. Newsflash: 4-year-old damages expensive art installation. Amy, are you upset with me? Priceless. What do you think? What do you want to do? I know you do. Just wait until we're out of this room, okay? Thank you. Alright, and we are home. We're done for the day, and the phone's got a bit under 20%. So I'll put some numbers all together and put on the screen now as the number of shots and minutes I shot. This was in 1080 at 60 frames per second. And I'll now review the footage and I'll do a conclusion soon. Okay, so I reviewed the footage and overall pretty good. I think my mistake was shooting it in a 60 frames per second. It looks a bit over sharpened and unnatural. That's definitely my fault. I wanted to have the ability later on to slow down to 30 frames per second if I needed a slow-mo shot. So note to self, don't do that again. Also, sometimes there was some really weird color shifts, particularly like in that room with all the stickers and the pink. It moved from a yellow to a really red. Just look at it now. I don't know what's going on, but anyway, just these are learnings when you get any new camera. What else? I thought that the low light performance once again has proved itself to be completely terrible, unusable, so I'll endeavor to never ever shoot in dark places. I was really impressed with the audio. I didn't have to actually boost that at any time. It picked me up very well, no matter which way I was holding the phone, so very impressed with that. I'll do another video just to make sure that I'm doing the right thing here, because it is a big holiday and I don't want to, lose any precious memories because of bad footage. So let me know your thoughts. What do you think worked well? What sucked? Put it down below, and if you can, please subscribe. Share this on YouTube. Share this on your socials. Look me up on Instagram. I'm Chris Vanderstock on there. And otherwise, have a great time. Have a great week. Stay safe and see you next time.